guys, here's the Lego train all plugged in, and let's do it. So it works awesome. Obviously it's not completely built all the way, but you get the idea. Alrighty guys, train still works great. Like I said, it is one of the older 9-volt trains, so it runs off of a power pack that's plugged into the wall instead of a battery. But yeah, works great. As you guys can see, I got a little bit done on the train today. This car finished. It's like a car holder. I'll be working on this one today. Here's the extra pieces. I still gotta find a bunch. So, yep. Coming together so far. Alright guys. Quick update on the train. I'm looking for 4 little lights like this. Got 3 so far, 1 more and then I'm done. Boom. There we go. Got all 4 of them. Alrighty, there's the last train car all done. This is one of the alternate builds. And my collection of miscellaneous tiny parts as well. But yeah, here's the manual for the train. Set 4560/461. There's like more than one car you can build out of this. That's the one I just built. There's the next one. It has a little like diner thing that sits on the outside as well. That's the diner car that comes with it. Yeah, it's a neat little kit. There's some ideas for track layouts as well. Yeah, so train is all done now. Let's get this out of the way. Demo it real quick. There we go. Train's all done. See, all done now. Pretty neat little thing. Probably gonna use this for the Lego City. Alright guys, and then there's some of the collection that I've got going here. Lots to sort through. Luckily my mother already color coordinated most of the bags and stuff, so part of the hard part's already done. So alrighty guys, thanks for joining me for the train update, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.